welcome to WOW DIY. For today's activity, we will build a model of a hovercraft. Hovercraft are truly all-terrain vehicles. They glide over land, water, mud, or ice. This makes them ideal for search and rescue missions. But how do they work? Well, Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless an external force acts upon it. One common opposing force is friction. A hovercraft uses blowers to produce a large volume of air beneath it, which produces lift, reduces friction, and allows it to glide over a variety of environmental obstacles. Let's gather some supplies and get started. First, you will need a CD, a pop top like this off of a dish soap bottle or a water bottle, and a hot glue gun and some glue. Now, you should ask an adult for assistance before using the glue gun, as it gets hot and there's a potential for you to get burned. Safety is always a priority in science. You will also need a balloon, a push pin or a thumbtack, some duct tape or masking tape, along with a piece of yarn or string. This could come in handy later. Now it's time to build. Begin by using the hot glue gun to secure the bottle top over the center hole of the disc. Make sure to use plenty of glue to create a good seal, then set the disc aside so the glue can set. Avoid touching the glue while it's hot and be careful you don't burn yourself. Now blow up the balloon and twist the neck to prevent the air from escaping. This is where you can also use the yarn or string to tie a bow and hold it shut. Just be sure to use a knot that you can easily untie. Now make sure the pop top is closed and fit the neck of the balloon over the pop-up portion of the cap. You might need a helper for this part. Now it's time to test your hovercraft. Place it on a smooth surface and pull the pop-up portion open to watch it hover. The airflow created by the balloon causes a cushion of moving air between the disc and the surface. This lifts the CD and reduces the friction, which is what allows the disc to hover freely. Now try covering the center hole of the CD with some tape. Then poke some holes in the tape with a push pin. This will allow your hovercraft to hover longer by slowing the rate of the air released. Experiment with your hovercraft by altering the design. Does the size of the balloon affect the CD's ability to hover? Do larger discs make better hovercrafts? Try using a plastic picnic plate or an old record album. How do the size and number of holes you poke in the tape affect hover time? What sort of terrain will your hovercraft cross? Form a hypothesis and record your results. I hope that you've had a lot of fun making your own hovercraft. Just don't forget to clean up when you're done. To learn more about the physics behind this experiment, search topics like Newton's laws, lift, and aerodynamics. For more fun DIY activities, visit us at wpafbstem.com. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.